Welcome back to my Vitamin Doctor, your go-to channel for health and nutrition. Today, I'm sharing the top 5 soups for weight loss. These soups are not only delicious but also super easy to make. Vegetable soup. First up, we have a classic vegetable soup. It's packed with fiber and nutrients. Here's how to make it. 1 onion, chopped 2 carrots, sliced 2 celery stalks, chopped 3 cups of vegetable broth, 1 can of diced tomatoes, 1 zucchini. Chopped 1 teaspoon dried basil, salt and pepper to taste. Sauté onion, carrots, and celery in a pot until soft. Add broth, tomatoes, zucchini, and basil. Bring to a boil. Simmer for 20 minutes. Season with salt and pepper. Enjoy this hearty and healthy soup. Next, chicken and vegetable soup. Great for protein and low in calories. Here's how to make it. 1 chicken breast, cooked and shredded 2 carrots, sliced 2 celery stalks, chopped 3 cups of chicken broth, 1 cup of spinach, 1 teaspoon thyme, salt and pepper to taste. Combine all ingredients except spinach in a pot. Bring to a boil, then simmer for 20 minutes. Add spinach in the last 5 minutes. A perfect meal to keep you full and energized. Third, lentil soup. High in protein and fiber. Here's how to make it. 1 cup lentils, 1 onion, chopped 2 carrots, sliced 2 garlic cloves, minced 4 cups vegetable broth, 1 teaspoon cumin, 1 teaspoon paprika, salt and pepper to taste. Sauté onion, carrots, and garlic until tender. Add lentils, broth, and spices. Bring to a boil. Simmer for 30 minutes. Season with salt and pepper. This soup is both hearty and nutritious. Next, tomato basil soup, simple and low in calories. Here's how to make it. 6 tomatoes, chopped 1 onion, chopped 2 garlic cloves, minced 3 cups vegetable broth, 1/2 cup fresh basil, salt and pepper to taste. Sauté onion and garlic until soft. Add tomatoes and broth. Bring to a boil. Simmer for 20 minutes, then blend with basil. Season with salt and pepper. A classic that never fails. Finally, miso soup. Great for gut health. Here's how to make it. 3 cups water, 1/4 cup miso paste, 1 cup tofu, cubed 1/2 cup seaweed, 1 green onion, sliced. Bring water to a boil, then reduce heat. Dissolve miso paste in a small amount of warm water and add to the pot. Add tofu and seaweed. Simmer for 5 minutes. Garnish with green onion. A light and satisfying option. That's it for today. These soups are perfect for keeping you full and aiding in weight loss. Give them a try and let me know your favorite in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more healthy recipes.